All right, friends. In this video, we are going to create some presentation with the slides using the Gemini app in GCP. And I have opened up a blank presentation and I'm inside the documentation over here. So I've put in a question asking provide me concise overview of what Gemini can do in slides. Right, so we can do generate images, we can generate new slides, we can summarize our presentations, or we can write or rewrite the content. It is a broad prospect of what the service can be used for. Right, so let me close this. Okay, let me first select a theme for it. So I'm going to just pick up something simple. So I think I'm good with the blue color. All right. Okay, I think let's go with this one. Blue was way too not appealing for me. Let's call in the Gemini app over here and see what we can do. So we can create a slide. We talked about this. We can, so one another feature which, we have is we can point out to a document in the docs and we can ask, Gemini to use that doc and to create slides. I've pointed out to a document and I'll show the document also in a bit, but I want to ask it to create a create requires one slide after the other, go to the entire document. Now what I'm trying to do is I have a document which has list of slides to be created, and I'm trying to ask Gemini to read through that and generate the slides. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it is looking at the feature and asking it to insert. This is going to be about the Gemini with email service, and it's not able to read through and remove the placeholders, but it has added graphics to the slide, and it has stopped after inserting one slide. As you see, my prompt was to create multiple slides, but uh, the point which I wanted to highlight was it doesn't do work that way. I'll show you the document also. Document is here. It has instructions to create what will be there in all the slides, and I've asked Gemini to generate this prompt for me for it, but it didn't work the way I was hoping. That would generate multiple slides together. But let me see if I can point out to this particular section and ask it to generate a slide, one slide for this, right? So let's go back to presentation. So I'm going to say okay again, add the red, and we're going to select the document. Okay, create slide for section 4. Let's see what it does now. Okay, so it has generated the slide about the docs. So it's able to relate to that, file and the, positioning of what I want to add, but it's not able to do that for reading the whole document and creating it. Let us try this one more time. Right, so next what I'm going to do is we're going to try to create again the same thing, a few slides from the document, but this time I'm going to ask it to use it to, do it for multiple slides. Let's see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to put this slide for slide 6 and next is for 9. So what I want to try is if I can still, if I instruct to do it one by one, will it do it? I'm making an attempt for to see if I can push the system for generating 2 slides. It's no, I guess we got only one slide in this as well. So I guess you have to go step by step creating the slide. That's a limitation right now. So let me try this out. I'm going to copy this and ask Gemini to redraft it and update in my slides. Okay, let's see if we can do that directly from Gemini. Okay, so I think it adds this new slide that is not able to replace the existing content, but that's fair. I guess you don't want, the AI agent to replace your slides. You can always delete that manually. So good feature helps you with quick presentations, gets you the relevant images, okay, generates the images of whatever, subject you're dealing with. So if I have to make a slide deck, I can very comparatively, I can do it much more quicker than the old style way of, hunting for images over the internet, downloading, inserting. So it can just generate images as, we add the content to it. So good, effective, and as I said, one key feature which I feel it's missing out is generating multiple slides. I think then this would be a rock solid thing to work with. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. That motivates me to create more such videos for you. And thank you so much once again. Bye.